What's up, guys? Big day today. We got the call from Dyno Jet, and the dyno will be here around lunchtime. So we're just kind of prepping up everything, getting it dialed in to be ready to drop it in. So I'm gonna try to record that whole process just to kind of just see what all goes on. So stay tuned. Had to get a little bit of the big machinery here. Don't know what all we're gonna have to unload, but just cleaning the shop up, getting ready. We got everything poured out in the back. Just getting the bay ready to take it in. Got a couple calves off. Set it on up over here. So the dyno's here. We're running into a little issue with the box being about 8 foot long and too heavy for what we got. So we're calling in reinforcements to bring the big forks and see if we can unload this this jewel. Oh, we got the cavalry now. Appreciate that. Yeah, I'd say those forks will get the job done. There, lighten the load on it back in. There's a little light on the rear. If we would have got that, we'd have had a problem. Everything's on the ground, thankfully. Everything come in one piece. So now it's gonna be assemble time. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna try to do as much filming as I can through the whole process of filling in the hole and getting it all up and running. So appreciate you checking this out and follow for this one, because it's gonna be an ordeal. Pulley's moving.